though, it's been muggy and it's been pretty foggy out tonight.
Yeah, so fog has been kind of in and out developing just on the outskirts of the metro area, so watch it really closely tomorrow morning. You'll want to tune in to Sally because she's probably going to be tracking the fog and low visibilities and probably some slowdowns on the roads because of it. So just a heads up there. You can feel the mugginess in the air. We have all this moisture that's moving in, and it has tropical origins, all because of a hurricane. And I'll show you that in a second that's trying to head in our direction. So looking ahead, your weather headlines, watching for that developing fog and, of course, very muggy conditions. And that is going to be the case the rest of this week and into the beginning of the weekend. So don't expect that humidity to go anywhere. Thursday and Friday, though, we stay mainly dry. It'll be muggy, it'll be warmer, and we'll still see a lot of cloud cover, but we're not going to see much in the way of rain. In fact, no rain for Thursday, and Friday rain chances stay pretty slim. By Saturday, though, we really start to change things up. That's when we're going to be looking at wetter weather moving on in, and we're going to have to watch out for breezy conditions too for the valley, even getting into the Cascades and east, and of course coastal areas. Looking at those winds really starting to pick up by tomorrow night into Friday, and that will stay windy through the part of the weekend. So low 60s right now in Portland. The winds are nice and calm. That's the one thing you don't want whenever it's this muggy out and you have that much moisture in the air, because that's when that fog can really start to develop. Here's a look at the visibilities right now, and nothing too crazy. 8 to 10 mile visibility from Portland to back towards Scappoose, but that did get down to 2.5 mile visibility just a couple of hours ago. So we're seeing it in the process of developing. So again, that could definitely slow things on the roads. You'll want to watch out for that. So in the morning, fog and cloud cover. By 10 a.m. we'll have the fog lifting out, but still fairly cloudy. We'll be in the low 60s, so a mild start and a muggy one again. And then we top out in the mid 70s tomorrow with a little bit of sunshine here and there. Overall, still a lot of cloud cover, but we stay on the dry side. You can see those showers have really wound down. A lot of this that you see here, false echo, so that rain has moved on out, but you can see quite a bit of cloud cover. And look at all this moisture pouring on in from Hurricane Ojo, which is in its dying phases here. It's starting to weaken, and it'll continue to weaken, and it will no longer be a hurricane by the time we get into Friday, but as it does parallel our coastline, and keep note that it is staying pretty far to the west, it's going to send in some high seas and strong winds Friday through Monday for coastal areas. So if you're planning on visiting that area, be very careful. Don't go out in the jetties, and just really keep a close eye on what's going on out there, because those waves could get pretty nasty. And then, of course, it makes landfall well away from here by Saturday, but a lot of moisture will mean a lot of rain moving our way as we go into the first half of the weekend. So tracking that for you. Tomorrow morning we wake up to the cloud cover. Clouds are in and out tomorrow, and we stay mainly dry. Then we go into Friday, and here's that rain chance moving on in for coastal areas. Winds will be picking up. And then we go through Friday afternoon, and for the valley, a few stray showers are possible, but we won't see much. And then here we go into Saturday, and this is when we have this front swinging through with all of that moisture in place, and we'll have to watch for showers to develop, perhaps some places in the valley getting a half an inch or more of rain, and of course that on top of the wind too. Your coastal forecast tomorrow, though, not much wind, patchy fog to mostly cloudy skies, winds coming in from the southeast, upper 60s and low 70s, upper 70s for I-5 with fog and clouds in the morning, and then that gradual clearing. So a warm and muggy afternoon, central and east, beautiful weather for you, upper 70s to low 80s, Cascades, 62 in Government Camp, Hood River in the low 70s, partly to mostly sunny skies. And we're going to be looking at partly sunny skies by the end of the day for Portland tomorrow, watching for a few stray showers. Friday, Saturday, breezy, showers likely, a wet one for us. By Sunday, though, if you have plans, outside a lingering shower in the morning, Sunday looks pretty decent. Highs in the low 70s, that system pulling away, and we'll see those winds starting to taper off too. So Sunday definitely looking like the better day to get out and maybe go see some of the fall color around. Yeah. It's really beautiful right now for the weekend.
Sounds like things are really starting to peak with the leaves and stuff.
Oh, it is. I have a beautiful picture I'll show you. Mount Hood right now, up near Trillium Lake. It is gorgeous. You're going to want to see it.
Okay, yeah, get that in.
I will.
Thanks, Kristen.
All right, fans.